Hey, have you heard about the theory of constraints?
Yes, I have. It's a system-based philosophy that asserts that the constraints determine the performance of the system.
Interesting. What are some examples of constraints?
Constraints can be people or staffing, materials, information, machines, policies, measurements, or even the market for your product or service.
How do we address the constraint?
According to theory of constraints, there are 5 steps to address the constraint. Step 1. Identify the constraint. Step 2. Decide how to exploit the constraint. Step 3. Subordinate all else to this decision. Step 4. Elevate the constraint. Step 5. If in any step the constraint is broken or eliminated, go back to step 1.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's suppose we have 3 production processes A, B, and C. Customer demand is 300 units per day, and the units have to go through all 3 processes in order. Process A has a capacity of 350 units per day, Process B has a capacity of 250 units per day, and Process C has a capacity of 400 units per day. Process B is a constraint since it can handle only 250 units per day. Our approach would be to increase the capacity of Process B to match customer demand. If B could handle 300 units per day, it would no longer be a constraint since this would equal demand. We would then find the next constraint, which might be the market. In that case, we need to sell more.
Thanks, I understand it better now. Where can I learn more about theory of constraints?
You can visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.